the syllabus which is important for your exams. So let us begin with the short question answer.
And a very short question answer. First question is, what are the steps taken by the Europeans for the development of agriculture in the USA? Options are: they cleared large tracts of forest to develop agriculture. To protect their farms from the dangers of wild animals, they enclosed the field with barbed wire. Or option A and B both, or none of these. Answer is option A and B both. Next question is, what are the various terms used to describe the native people of New World? Aborigine, Aboriginal, First Nation peoples, Indigenous people, Native Americans and Red Indians, or Native, Strangers and Foreigners, Indigenous people and Native people, or none of these. Answer is option A, in which the native peoples of New World called as Aborigine, Aboriginal, First Nation people, Indigenous people, Native Americans and Red Indians. Towards short question answer, let us see first question. Who established themselves as political power in South Africa and how? Answer is, the East Indian Company established themselves as a political power in South Africa. The company defeated the local leaders and annexed their territories to firmly establish its power. Next question is, which three Europeans began to increase their trading activity after 17th century? Answer is, the three European nations which began to increase their trading activity after 17th century were France, Holland and England.
Short question answers becomes very easy and interesting to attempt and to score good marks. Now children, we need to go towards the long question answers where we used to check our writing skill and we used to apply our understanding of concept. Here we need to take care of our handwriting, overwriting as well as spelling mistakes. So now we are going to discuss how to write the long question answers and some important questions. So let's begin.
Among long question answer from the displacing of indigenous people, one of the very common and important question is, discuss the features of the lifestyle of Native American people. Answer will be, the features of lifestyle of Native American people were as follow. Number 1, living of people. In North America, the people lived in bands in village along with the bank of river valley. Diet. These people used to grow crops such as maize and different type of vegetation. They also ate fish, meat and went for hunting for far off the places in search of wild buffalo and bison. Next point towards the features are towards economy and land resource. Let us see the points. The people believed in the subsistence economy. They used to grow as much as crop required to fulfill their basic needs. They claimed their rights over the ownership of land and were satisfied with the food and shelter available. There were no conflict with the securing of rights over the ownership of land. Let us see few more features about the American natives towards exchange of gifts. These Native of American used to live a life based on the principle of togetherness and mutual friendship. They do not include themselves into the sale or purchase of goods. Thus, they used to exchange the gifts among them. Language used by these natives. These native people used to speak number of languages, but name of these were not written down. Let's see their taste towards the cloth. The Native of Americans were skilled craftsmen and knew the art of weaving the best quality of clothes.
After discussion of pattern of writing long question answers and important questions in the long question answers, now we are proceeding towards the map skill. Children, map skill is again very much scoring and easy to attempt. So let's understand how to do map work and what are the important questions related to the chapter. So let's begin.
Here children, the map of Australia is very important to learn. So the question which can be asked from this chapter may be in this form. On the map of Australia, mark and locate the following places: Perth, Sydney, Adelaide, Darwin, Melbourne, or Canberra. So, in this manner, you have to locate the exact places as per question.
So that's all in the revision session of this module. Stay happy, stay safe, and keep on doing your revision nicely and do well in your exam.